Mabuhay. Welcome to Biskayanang site. Do you have any reservation, ma'am?
None.
May I help you with your luggage, ma'am? Do you have any fragile item here, ma'am?
None.
Do you lock your luggage, ma'am?
Yes.
Let me double check your luggage, ma'am. This way to the front desk, ma'am. Follow me, ma'am. Good morning, front desk. This is Miss Adelpha Emok. Who would like to check in?
Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to Biskayana Hotel. May I get some details of you for the registration form, ma'am? Can I have your name, ma'am?
Adelpha.
Your nationality, ma'am?
Philippines.
Your address, ma'am?
Cebu.
Your date of birth, ma'am?
March 26, 2000.
Are you alone, ma'am, or do you have any company? What type of room do you prefer, ma'am? Standard room, deluxe room, or presidential room, ma'am? Can I have your phone number?
91234.
Do you have any special request, ma'am?
Yeah.
What do you prefer, ma'am? Smoking or not smoking room?
Nice.
How would you like to settle your payment, ma'am? Upon checkout, ma'am. Okay, ma'am, let me repeat your detail. Your name is Adelpha Emok, your nationality is Filipino, and you're from Cebu, Nueva Vizcaya. You are alone, and the room type you choose is deluxe. Your birth date is March 26, 2004. Your phone number is 0912-3456-789. You don't have any special request, and you prefer a non-smoking room area. Is that all correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Kindly fix your signature here, ma'am.
This way to the elevator, ma'am. Just follow me, ma'am. After you, ma'am. How's your day, ma'am? Is it your first time to travel, ma'am?
Yes.
Would you like to open the door, ma'am? Sure. Your paper, please. After you, ma'am. This is your room, ma'am. Where did you like to put your luggage, ma'am? This is your key card, ma'am. Just dial 0 if you have any problem, ma'am. And thank you for staying here, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.